Hey guys, we're here at AOAA again, and very similar crew. It's my brother just starting to roll out of truck. Friend Carlos there, and we got new people joining us, Don and his brother Justin. Today we're only doing 1 day of wheeling, maybe 2, depending on everybody's schedule. But we are also testing this mini bed rack, see how it holds up in the trails. So, see how the day goes, make some coffee, and we'll hit the rocks. Alright, and we're off, guys. My shotgun partner today is Carlos, so should be fun. See how all these trails hold up with all the rain that we've got. Alright guys, so far we've gotten, not really trail damage, but my spare tire came undone from the new rack. So ended up just removing it completely and then strapping it right on the truck bed. Let's fucking go.
I'm just gonna move up ahead, but you're still gonna be in the middle. Exactly.
Fucking go.
Yep, there you go. Gun it, gun it, gun it. That's it. Yep. There you go. Keep going, you're climbing. Stand by.
This is the roughest part of the terrain if we stick to the same route as last time.
Yeah, this is where I think I got stuck here the first time too. Because this ledge just, I mean, it's climbable. It's like a foot ledge.
Yeah.
Goes up to, maybe even more, it goes up to my knee. So that's probably at least like 16 inches maybe.
That's why you're saying
go
avoid the
driver's
center.
side.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you go driver's side, you should be in it.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, go passenger. You're good, you're fast.
I might get stuck again.
Nah, he'll be fine. Yeah, you're good, you're fast. You gotta go driver. Straight, you're good. Alright, you'll have to go on the driver and my passenger. Hold on, you got the tree. Now driver. Hard driver. Yep. Alright, climb it. Yep. Alright, pause for a bit, yo. You'll have to go back a little bit more, straighten out. Now go to your passenger side slightly forward. Now go forward. Yeah. Forward. Straighten out. You're good. Now,
Set bug.
pucker factor.
Oh, much compactor. Okay.
Pucker factor. This is where the driving skills start taking precedence, making sure to avoid all these trees. time of year is where things get a little off camber. I got the tree.
Oh.
Oh shit. Stalled it. It's on the door too. Oh.
Oh man.
It's taking a wider. Other carrots. Get past this street and check on the guys. Yeah, that's the hard part right here. Went a little hard on that one. There we go. Yeah, I'll pop that. No biggie. Alright, let's press forward. That one went right to the frame.
Yep.
That's part of the game.
Yeah.
Destroy things and then complain about it later
Right,
on.
and then fix it. Right.
This is the one I slammed on the last time.
Oh,
This
that
rock
one there,
right here,
yeah.
I'll try to let this one apart. There we go. We're pretty much through at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even need my loggers for this one since we're all just riding it downhill.
Oh yeah, right.
Thanks, Don. A little bit of a trail repair, guys. I think we'll have to inspect what's going on with the radiator steaming up on that bad boy. Yeah, look at that, guys. The shroud. Probably from all the mudding. Look at that, guys. So we'll take this off from the top and reposition it to go back onto the slit, as it's preventing this from spinning properly. See that? Oh yeah, it's actually rubbing from the bottom of the shroud. Yeah, that's what's catching. But still, it was making this weird noise as I was driving, like something's trying to to spin. We're not going that way. It says warning, deep mud. High chances of us getting stuck. And my brother backed into a felled tree. All right. That's it. Well, stop. You know, stop. There's another tree there. The window, dude. Yeah, seriously. Alright guys, I think we did her in. The looks like the motor mount here blew out, and now this motor is actually shifted forward, pushing down on the shroud, preventing the fan from spinning. So another trail accumulated damage. Work on removing the shroud and I guess limp it back to the site. For this trail repair, we ended up just dismounting the shroud completely from the top and lower mounting points. That shroud was hung at about 1.5 inches lower with zip ties, and that was definitely enough to keep the radiator fan spinning and prevent the motor from overheating while we limp the Taco back to the campsite. Yeah, look at the shifter, guys. It's not supposed to be doing that. If I give it some gas, it gets knocked out of, this is actually third gear right now. And it looks like it's in first. We're basically back at the campsite. But the trail damage, I mean, I showed you guys the motor mount. I don't know if I mentioned this. Yeah, the 1/8" metal is definitely not thick enough for this. The spare tire came loose, but not bad. So we're now just hanging out, relaxing. Brother cooking us dinner tonight. We got some burger patties
with Taylor ham.
Couple Taylor ham.
Not pork roll. Not pork roll, but Taylor ham.
I think Don's making burgers as well.
Same thing, but
So a big shout out to my brother and friends for helping out with the trail repair. 5 days of hard wheeling at Anthracite definitely put way too much stress on those motor mounts, which only had about 50,000 miles on them. The Tacoma will definitely be down for a little while. Stay tuned for the next repair series as we work on getting the Taco back onto the trails. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, peace out.